Now for number 19, sine x over y is equals to y over x. So we'll now differentiate. So we're trying to find y prime. So we have derivative of sine is cosine. So just copy x over y, and then derivative inside is y. Derivative of x is 1. So minus x y prime all over y squared is equals to, so derivative, so just copy x y prime minus y times 1 all over x squared. So we'll further simplify. So cosine x over y, y minus xy prime all over y squared is equals to x y prime. So we now trying to isolate. So we have y prime all over x minus y all over x squared. So we are now trying to simplify further. So x over y. So 1 all over y minus xy prime all over y squared is equals to y prime all over x minus y all over x squared. So we'll now distribute. So cosine x over y all over y minus xy prime cosine x over y all over y squared is equals to y prime all over x minus y all over x squared. So we are now we'll isolate y prime. So to simplify this one, we have x, so y prime all over x, so plus xy prime cosine x over y all over y squared just equals to cosine x over y all over y plus y all over x squared. So we'll isolate. So what do we do next? So we'll isolate. We'll just combine these two terms. This term, and this term, and this term. So we're now combining this term. So we have xy squared. So we have y prime xy squared y prime y squared y prime. So y squared y prime plus, so xy squared, so x squared y prime cosine x over y. So we have x squared y, we have x squared cosine x over y plus x squared, so y squared. So again, we'll now this term here will multiply both sides by xy squared. So xy squared, so xy squared. So this will be now cancelled. So x will be cancelled also, and y also. So the remaining will be, so we'll now just simplify. So y squared y prime plus x squared y prime cosine x over y is equals to x squared cosine x over y plus y squared all over. So we have the remaining will be y over x. So there will be y here, y then x in the denominator. And then we will now isolate y prime. So y prime, so we have y squared plus x squared y prime cosine x over y is just equals to y uh, multiply by x squared cosine x over y plus y squared all over x. So now uh, multi divide both sides, right? We'll divide both sides by y squared by this term. So the remaining will be like this, y prime is equals to, so just copy the numerator, so x squared cosine x over y plus y squared, so x multiplied by y squared, so x squared, so we'll now arrange, so x squared x squared y prime, so this will be now will now, my fault, this is x squared, right, because we factor out x squared y prime, we factor out y prime right here, so we have x squared cosine x over y plus y squared, so we'll now cancel this one and this one because they are like terms, so we have y prime is equals to y over x, so this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Answer is y prime equals y over x, so our answer here, y over x, is correct. So that's all for differentiation of trigonometric functions. So for the next video, we will solve differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. So stay tuned. So for more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, MathProPH. See you.